Jim, your product expert with Sump Pumps Direct. I want to talk a little bit today about the difference between sewage and grinder pumps. We get a lot of calls and emails about this. People get confused on the terminology on that. Your normal sewage pump will be anywhere from a 4/10 horsepower on up to multi-horsepower pumps. Typically, on what we deal with residential, they're going to go up to maybe about a 2 horsepower maximum. These will handle up to 2-inch solids pumping through the inlet of the pump and through the discharge. Again, you're going to run a minimum 2-inch discharge pipe on these pumps, sometimes a larger pipe, depending on your vertical head lift and your pumping distance and your capacity. These pumps are also available in complete systems, as you see here. That'll include the basin, the pump, the float switches, in some cases a control panel, and an alarm. The alarms are highly recommended. There'll be a high water alarm just in case that water table gets too high, that pump isn't failing for some reason. That'll let you know there's a problem before you have the problem. These pumps are sized, again, based on how high and how far you need to pump the water, how many faucets and bathrooms you have leading to the pumps. And again, they're just going to pass solids through them. Grinder pumps, on the other hand, are going to have a steel grinding blade on the bottom of the pump that actually grinds everything that comes in, sucks into that pump to a fine pulp. That's going to be discharged out through a minimum 1¼ inch discharge. And those run anywhere from a 0.5 horsepower on up to 2 horsepower pumps that are going to be rated more for commercial applications. These pumps are also available in complete systems with the basins and alarms and control panels if needed. And again, it'll be based on how many people you're going to have in the house, how high and how far you're pumping. If you've got a rental property you're taking care of, or you're just not sure what's getting flushed down that toilet other than just standard sewage, a grinder pump would be a good alternative for you. Otherwise, in most cases, the sewage pump will work for you too. So that's a quick lesson on that. If you have any other questions, give me a call, shoot me an email. Until the next time, have a great day. Take care. Bye.